Oh, hi there. It is me, that one makeup kid, and I am back with another video. This time I am doing the random color makeup challenge, and as you can probably guess, this is the outcome. This was a lot of fun to do, and I'm really glad that I finally did it. So yes, if you would like to see how I did this look, then you can just keep on watching. Alright, so we're just gonna get started. As you can see, I have my brows on and I've already primed my lids. Yeah, the brows ended up more like sisters, kind of like cousins, then twins, but we're not gonna worry about it. So I don't have actually many single eyeshadows. They're almost all palettes. So I am gonna be doing this a little differently. I have an app here. It's like a random picker app, and I put all of the different, like this highlighter, all the different highlighters I have on there, and that will pick it for me. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with the mattes, matte eyeshadows. I'm gonna pick 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. So let's get into it. So we're going to spin right now. Alright, what's it gonna be? Okay, so we have Nana from the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. So I'll swatch them on my arm so you can get a... Alright, that's this one. It's like a orange. It's a bad swatch. That's fine. That's what Nana is. Okay, so at least I got like a brown in there. That's really nice. You can build up definition and stuff. So let's go again. The next one is going to be the red shade from the Morphe palette. So that's that one. I don't know why my swatches are so bad right now. Sorry about that. So that's that. Okay, so far we got like a really warm tone look. Okay, third one is going to be, the purple from the Morphe palette. So that's this one. Swatch that. Okay. And then our last matte is going to be, what will it be? The dark green from the Morphe palette. Alright, interesting. So that's this one. Well, we were doing pretty well color-wise up until that green. I don't know what we're gonna do for that. We'll have to figure it out. Okay, so now I'm going to do the shimmers, and I'm going to pick 2 shimmers. So, what's it gonna be? Yara. So, once again from the Magic Palette. Yara, where are you? Oh, okay, so that's another like green one right here. Okay. Looks like that. Interesting. And our final eyeshadow is going to be Faso, once again from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. And that looks, where are you? Okay, that's a purple. It's a purple duochrome. Okay. So these are the colors I have to work with. To say, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I mean, I got 2 greens, and I have 2 purples, and then I have these. So, I'm going to think about that for a second. I'll be right back. Okay, so I think I have an idea. I'm just going to kind of go with it. And we're going to start with, what's it called? Nana in the crease. So I am going to put that in the crease with a Real Techniques brush. Okay. Wish me luck. Okay, so now that I've used Nana, I'm going to go in with the red shade from the Morphe 12P Picasso palette, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to go in with this really fluffy Wet n Wild brush, and I am going to put that in the crease as well. Okay, let's see. I have 2 different sized eyes, so I don't know why this one looks so different all the time. I mean, I just answered that question. I have 2 different sized eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to take Faso right there, and I'm going to put that on the outer, no, what my colors again? No, I was gonna put that on the inner part of my eye. Screw it. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid for right now and see where we go from there. Dude, these place eyeshadows are so good. I just got that 40% off sale, and I got the Zulu and the Saharan too, and I'm super duper excited. I got them both for like the price of one. Hell yeah. I got Mr. Brightside by the Killer stuck in my head. Me and my roommate were working out last night at the gym, and we just played a whole bunch of emo music. So now I have, you know, like the classics, like all the Panic at the Disco, like I Write Sins, Not Tragedies, 9 in the Afternoon, Dance Dance by Fall Out Boy, My Chemical Romance, The Killers. Yeah, that's what we listen to when we work out. Okay, so I feel like I lost a little bit of depth from the red, so I'm gonna go back in with the red on that same brush I used before, and we're just going to go over the outer corner. Okay, that looks good. I think it looks pretty good. The lighting that I have is not nearly as good as the lighting that is on camera. Like, I just have the light from one lamp that's like right there. And it looks good, but it's not the best. But it is the best I've found in this apartment, so make it work. Okay, so now we're gonna take the purple on like an angled brush. And we're going to deepen the corner even more. People are so loud, I swear to God. Okay, so I did that. I think it looks pretty good. So now before I move on to the bottom lash line, I am going to do my face makeup, and I think today I am going to use the It Cosmetics CC cream all over my face. And do I want to go like super full? Do I want to go super full coverage on the concealer or not? That is the question. I guess we'll figure it out when we get there. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna pick up the thing I dropped because I'm a fucking mess. Okay, I think, why am I like this? Oh my God. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go a bit lighter on the coverage, so I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me rather than the Tarte Shape Tape. First though, I'm going to get this hair out of my face. Okay, got a ponytail in, now I'm gonna put on the concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. I don't want no coverage under there. I mean, even though the foundation does give pretty good coverage. I do want a little bit more than what I have right now, but I don't want like the full-on Instagram glam thing that the Tarte Shape Tape gives. So I'm gonna do this. This is a great concealer too. I actually use this one more than the Tarte, just because I don't always want that full coverage that Tarte gives, and also it does make my under eyes look dry, so I don't use it too much. Have the random picker for my blush and my highlighter too. So I am just going to contour off camera, and then I will be back when we are on the lower lash line. Okay, so I've contoured and now I'm going to do the bottom lash line, and this is where I'm going to use the green shades. So I'm going to start with the dark one from the Morphe palette, and I'm going to take it on. Which one? I think I want to do a little bit of a more fluffy one, so I can really, you know, smoke it out down there. So I'm going to do that.
Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
And I'm going to take that green from the Morphe palette again. Where did I put the Morphe palette? Right there. Okay, cool. Someone needs to take my makeup away from me. And I'm really going to concentrate this near the lash line. Okay, so I've wiped away all of my bake, and I am going to go back to the random picker for my blush. So let's see what blush I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to use the Essence Silky Touch Silky Touch blush in Baby Doll. This is one of my favorite blushes. It is really good. Okay. I really hope I don't overdo it with the blush. Fingers crossed. Just like a nice pink. Always get the tip of the nose. Okay. Think that looks good. Nope, think I overdid it. The only time we'll be able to tell is when I'm outside taking the pictures. And also, I have my highlighter on the randomizer, so we're going to see what highlighter I'm going to use. Okay. December Delight. Okay, interesting. So this is from Touch of Glam Beauty. This is their gingerbread highlighter. It smells so good. So good. This is more of a like gold bronze highlighter. So that's an interesting one to go with this look. That side looks so much less blended. What happened? Okay, well, we're just gonna go in. And then finally, to finish the look, I have this bag. Help. I have this bag full of lip products, and this is going to be interesting because I have nudes, I have pinks, I have reds, I have blues, I have blacks, I have greens in here. So this could end up being real interesting. And I'm just going to carefully, I'm not going to reach in. Okay, so this is Tattoo Junkie bubblegum. So I got a pink. This does look like it's separated though. I'll just give it a little zhuzh. Anyone else watch Big Mouth on Netflix? I really like it. It's funny. Okay, I think that will be fine. So we are going to put this pink on right now. This is so much more tame than it could have been. Like, I literally, I have like, I have a green in there. I have like metallic purple. I have bright reds. It could have been so much worse than this. Not worse, just different. We'll see how this goes. I think it should look okay. Okay, so this is the finished look. Got the highlighter. It does look a lot better in person. The lighting's just really bad. And here's the eyeshadow and the lips. Yeah, remember when I said I was gonna go take pictures outside? Well, it's like black outside. It's too dark. There's no natural light left. So I'm gonna have to take pictures like in front of this light. Oh yeah, now you can see the highlighter. It's gorgeous, it's stunning, you need it. Oh, yes, that was my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the look. I think it turned out pretty well. I'm really happy I did this challenge, and I think I'm probably going to do it again. So if you would like to see another random makeup challenge, leave a thumbs up down below, or if you have any other videos you want to see me do, you can comment down below. And if you want to subscribe, you can click right there, and if you want to watch another video, you can click right there. And I'll see y'all later. Bye!